Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel PC Guide for you. The following video will let you know that how you can change fingerprint animation on your OnePlus phone. I'm using OnePlus 13R as of now. So just showing you for example here, if I'll go to about device, you can see Oxygen OS 16 version I'm using in OnePlus 13R. To change the fingerprint option on your phone, the settings may be vary if you are using lower version of OS in your phone, but yeah, the options are quite similar. So you have to go into your settings. Either you can search on your search bar with a fingerprint, or you can go scroll down and look for the option home screen, lock screen and style. When you hit on it, you will see these options. So just scroll a bit down and you will see option more. Hit on more. Now here you can see fingerprint animation. Just click on it, and here you have the dashboard where you can select different type of fingerprints according to your need. So let's say that I'm just selecting that. It will give you a preview in the top page, and you can select. Once you have selected any one of them, and it's done, you can go back or close the settings page. It's done. So the next time when you just use your fingerprint, your thumb option on that fingerprint sensor on your phone, you will see that animation has been changed. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.